I was cruising on Reddit and saw this question. What are your ways to develop a solid understanding of your company's financial situation? I'm going to respond to this question in the realm of a business operations manager. Depending on the job description, a business operations manager may have total and complete access to the company's financial situation. If that's true, I recommend immersion and self-education. For starters, learn how the company's accounting software works. Not necessarily how to perform every single function of the accounting software, but at the minimum, learn how to access it, how to log in, how to turn it on, how to access the reports that you want, how to print the report, and so on. Understand the company's debt. And is your company able to pay those debts? What is the company's profit or loss for any given period? And you don't have to know this right off the top of your head, but you should at least know how and where to find this information. What are the expenses to operate your company? Things like rent, utilities, office supplies, and so on. Pull those financial documents at a minimum on a weekly basis. Review each line item. And again, make the time for self-education. And I can't say this enough. You must understand how your company makes money and how your company spends money. Company financial statements should always be quickly and easily accessible. They should be accurate. They should be up to date. When I say accessible, I mean those financial documents should be accessible from your accounting software. If the financial reports are not up to date, if they appear to be inaccurate, or if the only time you can see a financial statement is from an Excel spreadsheet, I would say that company has a bigger problem. When you think about company financials, people think of profit and loss and balance sheets. Part of the financials include original bank statements, original loan documents, original contracts. Any document that involves the exchange of money will help you as a business operations manager understand those company financials and how the company makes and spends money. If you have any questions or comments, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.